In this video, I will be solving closed end problem of the warm-up 1 section. Here comes the 5-second break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright. So in closed end method, we will be given two integers a and b. We need to return that integer whose value is nearest to 10. And in case there is a tie, that is the difference between both of the integers and 10 is equal, then we will be returning 0. Let's use the example to understand what the problem is asking. In first case, a is 8 and b is 13. Since we need to find the difference between or how far the value is from 10, so we would be making use of math.abs in order to get the absolute value. So let me show you. Let us maintain or create two variables, int something like int a_diff equal to math.abs a minus 10. First of all, let me define a and b. Int a equal to 8, b equal to 13. A_diff is this, b_diff would be b minus 10. And now if I will print out the abs difference between d and 10 is d, and again d and 10 is d, and this is this. And first of all, yes, first would be a and a_diff, then b and b_diff. Let's print it now. Difference between 8 and 10 is 2 and 13 and 10 is 3. Right. Now since the difference between 8 and 10 is 2, which is smaller, hence in first case we are returning a or 8. If we swap the numbers, that is a is 13 and b is 8, and if we run now, difference between 13 and 10 is 3, 8 and 10 is 2. Now since this is the smaller difference, or b is closer to 10, hence we are returning b, which is 8. But if we talk about 13 and 7, in this case the difference is same, 3 in both the cases. 7 is also 3. 7 is basically 3 less than 10 and 13 is basically 3 greater than 10. Hence the difference is same in both the cases. Hence we are returning 0. So we just need to calculate the difference between both a and b. If the difference a_diff and b_diff are equal, like in this case, we can return 0 back. Else we have to find which one is smaller and we need to return the corresponding value back. Let's write the logic now. First we will find int a_diff as math.abs of a minus 10. Similarly, find the difference between b and 10. In case a_diff is equal to b_diff, return 0. This is the case of tie, event of tie. If this is not the case, then if A diff is smaller than B diff, then return back A, which was this case. A diff was smaller, 2 greater than B diff, which was 3. Else return B. Now let's try running the tests. All of them pass. Let's try submitting it on the portal. Working fine. But we can simplify this code and write it in a single line, like return A diff less than B diff. If this is the case, then return A, else we need to return B. This would also work exactly the same way. Now let's submit it and push the code to GitHub. Yes. Close tab. And check